nigo cheragire Chinsa Ikomi chabona maragoba mwanchu molingo kwarigania twemanya mangana maya asenchera yo wenge erieta Dorcas Kemuma nigo tukubatanera Joshua Auta oyo kanyamanya asenchera yo manyererio apolinaris kama abakubatana na biganya nchama kweneke ngamari ogene chibicha awekire asenchera yo wekerano nabogoto bwati agwetera asenchera ye mitandao aso mtandao Facebook otunyara buna Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube otunyara buna Ndizi TV News naboigo asensemo ye website otunyara buna www.ndizitv.net. Gavana wa county ya Nyamira Amos Nyarubori ritukoria rero hairwe oroboti iro kurwa ase abanya committee bali batenenete amangana y'ikukuru cy'obobundi ase ekerenga kenene ase oroboti oru kyarenge igoro yogokinya ebirengo ase ikukuru echo ase nsemo yabarayi bali batenenete ikukuru echo nabo igo gokinya masomo ase ikukuru echo enyariho nigo boigo atebire buna nigara chikwendera gosira aborokiwa bali bago chigoso ase chiskuru echo ase abasegetire kwene kingango so bali ase chiskuru elikwa so gwasoma na kwenyorera emirimo ya maboko ase keria tebire nigo baranyore chigasi ase obwango ekere basomerete emirimo ya maboko.
Kure budget wajomo tinyo saba. We talk about vocational training to be at the center of our programs in the county. Kiagarando jina nerera konya abana baito. Anyori chigasi yao osebe kore chigasi. Na ndimna industrial park to aretira abono tuteta banta bangi ba train on technical courses. Bajiwa kore chigasi yo na go outsource ibintu binde uchiorora. Chinsa cheito chia vocational training jibuata barema gachore committee November ekorigereria ase binde amasomo n'abana bari kire college amasoma korwo obora iboro obora kweri abana banabataka tomenya kuririsi chibesa igobono rero kuchakera rero oyore nidi nabako enda ase ward administrator harusi a form aichorie ira niwo office ya administrator maikorigere une committee ye ward.
Eserikali nigo yabwatukire chindagira gocha ase ebinyoro abunenchire moyo gosanga anaba Kenya chinga kechiga chesukuku chindagire cyo cyare kwenanwa gwetera ase abagambi ase binyoro nigo bono omugambi kurwase ekinyoro Kenya bururu ayana na chindagira gocha ase abamenyi be kinyoro kyaye ase bantu bali batali kwenyara barwire amona bagatu benyolera chindagira echo bunenchire mo yogosanga kuku omugambi we kinyore kyo oyo manyakaine buna Vincent Okoyo nigabwatukera abakonyi gocha ase chinka chiria chintaka ase atumeka chinka kechubo igo kobolia aba amenye bensemeyo konekinga ngoga chabale kende chinga kicha esukuku gose chinga kicho mwaka omoyogocha anene ase bali babwate abana bagocha kwenda ase chuskuru nigo igo abaine kelinga nigara chikonekinga obolendi ngotingwa bole chinga kechiga bago chiko chingera omoyega bwesukuku
twalenge esuguri yokobaga chindagera chiarwete somo rais kwa kodrobuya usirikiana no masari chifone na boigo n'abantu ba community policy n'abagambi bane bebinyoro ngochikoira libageli kubakizera abantu bonsi banyaburu location ingaki tubato moyega kwa Christmas security togo gukora na beisa ine igo abantu bali ndaga yabo so bororo na ane mba atwara wasiwasi ende yonsi. At the same time gochiko baganilia maya abantu bago travel muna ku Nairobi Chinsa mojine mbalimbali bagocha Gusii ase omonyeko yo Christmas batwale sabalingia elinde beke nkabuya naboigo gochiko ganili abantu bonse abagusii bonse kwa ujumla e Christmas ekia ande Christmas cyo bategereru tolenga linga siguru ye January kitora aragere mutigari kendegeke ne siguru bisiyetoke abana January batoke school etoko bakalilia maya mwensi na bategereri na batasamaje ba Ndizi TV tobahamu tushirikiane station yaito nengiyere ngutumanyira mange na ane batukonyere.
Omurai wense Dr. William Ruto nigori tukoria rero abo tukobokonye bwe chindagira ase chinsemo chasugoi abunenchere yemoyo gusangana abakenya bali abatari kwenyara chinga kechiga chemega yesuguko chinga kecho nigo Ruto ira chinga kechaye gukwanira igoro y'abana siasa bali bagendete kwamireria emerobereria serikali ya bekire eligokinia ebirengo byense eto ya Kenya nigo boigo akwanira igoro yengana yobagachi gwechinyomba chamagori ainse seboigate babuna nigo abana siasa bande usabara ibande korwase chinsemo ocha abana siasa bagase ine kwamireria omurobiryo yo bwate ekugania gukonya abakenya anenase emeremo yose asaba abana abasae bakwenyorera emeremo nigo boigo atebuna nigo ensi ya Kenya bwate gose egendete gosukamote ase chinchera aona boigo asate bonekerenga kyaye kana buno morae wense no kwenekinga osukirie ense ya Kenya motwe.
Yani kote. Juzi World Bank wamesema nchi ya Kenya ni nchi ya 3 duniani ambayo inapokea pesa nyingi ya diaspora. World Bank wakasema nchi ya Kenya ni nchi ambayo uchumi inakuwa katika duniani kote namba 29 kwa nchi karibu 200. Nchi ya Kenya inasemekana kwa ile Lonely Planet ya kwamba nchi hii yetu ya Kenya ndio nchi nzuri zaidi kutembelewa na watalii katika bara letu la Afrika. Na ni namba 10 duniani kote. Hiyo ni nchi nzuri ama si nchi nzuri jameni? So mimi nauliza wale ambao wako na kisirani na Kenya. Wakiona kitu fulani inafanyika mzuri wanapeleka kotini. Wakiona kitu mzuri fulani inafanyika wanaenda kupinga. Juzi tumeweka mpango ya housing ya kupanga ajira ya vijana wetu. Hawataki. Tumepanga mambo ya afya. Tumesema Mkenya hata ule wa mwisho apate bima ya afya. Hawataki. Tumesema tupange mambo gani? Hawataki. Mimi nawauliza hawa ambao hamutaki vijana wetu wapate kazi. Hamutaki wa Kenya wapate matibabu. Nyinyi hamutaki chochote kwa nchi yetu ya Kenya. Nyinyi ni wa Kenya wa aina gani? Si tupende nchi yetu jameni? So I am telling the great people of Kenya, please, we have a great country.
Ruto boigo chinga kichuniga tebamuna nigarachi kwene kinga kira omo Kenya inkwenyorerare obugwenia buria bugwenerete ime yense asibono atebamuna serikali ya nigo ebwate okugania gokoene kinga ngochire egoke ya chibesa chiri abakenya bawakanera kerengo kiria kyobugwenia gosekia NHIF asateba nigarachi kwene kinga ngoke aniare ebesa erinde kira omo Kenya oriotabwati okubwana nyore okubwa goko weakanira chibese chese omurobiryo bwene chaifu erinde konyora obowenya una abakenya bande.
God has given us a great country. It is our responsibility to make it greater. It is not our responsibility to destroy our country. This is our homeland. Tumekubaliana ya kwamba tunabadilisha vile ya kuendesha mambo ya matibabu Kenya. Ndio tuhakikishe ya kwamba hakuna mtu atauza mali yake tena ili kulipa gharama ya hospitali. Watu wengi, mtu anaenda hospitali hapa referral Eldoret, bili inakuja 1 milioni, 1.2 milioni, 2 milioni, inauzwa ng'ombe, inauzwa shamba, inauzwa plot, inauzwa nini ndio iende ilipiwe hospitali. Nimesema hata kama wewe ni mtu huna mali, kila Mkenya kwa mara ya kwanza, kwa sababu tumepitisha sheria, wengine wametupeleka kotini, lakini tumepitisha sheria. Kuanzia mwaka ujao kila mtu atapata bima ya afya, kila mtu. Hata yule wewe huna pesa ya kulipa, tutakupatia bima ya afya na tutalipa kama serikali. Wale saa hii mko na NHIF, si watu hapa, watu wako na NHIF? Hebu nione wala wako na NHIF hapa. Bas, nyinyi ambaye mko na NHIF na mnalipa shilingi 500. Sawa? Tumesema tuta assess. Kama mapato yako iko chini kidogo, tutakupunguzia hiyo 500, utaanza kulipa 300. Mnanielewa? Ndio tuhakikishe ya kwamba hakuna Mkenya anaenda hospitali anakosa kutibiwa kwa sababu hana pesa. Kwa sababu ugonjwa hakuna mtu anaweka application ya kuwa mgonjwa.
Serikali ni ngobono erachi kubwaterana amo n'ababwatani bande abo batari be serikali erinde kwana kingango kine bale ebirengo by'ekipara asensemo y'obasombi. Omowaziri bw'obasombi Kipchumba Murkomen kagukwana chingaki akora etaro yaye ase egetuoge kya Nairobi Expressway ni ngobono atebire nigo epara eyo ya Nairobi Expressway yabekire ense ya Kenya ase agiya ase bono ense ya Kenya ere egati ye Chinsa chinde chiria kyakolire amagendero asensemo ye chipara.
I have been given some statistics here by Moja Express that first of all, during construction period, a construction of 27.1 kilometers of road had about 6,000 Kenyans being engaged in employment. That is something, because assuming it was in every 27 kilometers of a road, 6,000 people are employed for almost 2 years.
The operation of the Nairobi Expressway has greatly relieved the congestion situation in Nairobi, reducing traffic time from JKIA to town center from 2 hours to 20 minutes, which enhanced the competitiveness of the Nairobi as an international economic and trade center. We have now more than 200,000 ETC subscribers who have been enjoying the benefits, comfort and convenience.
Oyo kabeire omowaziri bwensemo yobotari ime eyense Najib Balala nigo emambiyarero abekwa byara nabo bisaba abanyanyimbo bukorania obukurumi asebono aikigwa ase ekyobisi kyekyombekyo kya ICC na maiga ya Balala konyorekana na mamocho yobukurumi kolengana no monogeri we ekyombekyo kya kukorania obukurumi kya ICC Eriki Mugambi niga tebuna Balala negati yabo bisabari banyorekane neri mocho ryokokora ogoseryoko neri mocho ryobukurumi ase eskuru ya Utalii College ebyo gotoka ime ye county ya Mombasa.
Of the first branch of the Utalii College. Therefore, after completion of the investigations, the commission forwarded the file to the DPP, who was concurred with the recommendations of the commission to charge former Ministry of Tourism officials, and therefore the commission yesterday arrested 3 out of the 16 suspects that are supposed to be charged in that particular case. So the 3 who were arrested are in the custody of the commission at the Integrity Center Police Station, and they will this morning be taken to court to face 10 counts of corruption and economic crimes. The arrested persons who are in the custody of the commission at the Integrity Center Police Station include the following: Mr. Najib Mohammed Balala, former Cabinet Secretary, Ministry of Tourism; Ms. Leah Ada Guyo, former Principal Secretary.
Mugavana bwe county ya Homa Bay Gladys Wanga ni gobono ababoliria abasae ogwesokia na gwetumana boigo kubaboria ogotiga gochora emirimo ase abatebe na egasi endionsi irachekero bakorire chisukuru ni gobono banyebwatere koboko asekeri ondeteyo omanyete mambya ya kiromonto Wanga ni yega ayakwana yo chingaki ari ekirana ase omuyega bokobekera egutwa abarokiwa bw'isukuru ya University ya Tom Mboya sebono abatebye muna nigo baranyare gwetuma erinde banyorere emirimo yabo nabayigoni gate babuna county ya Homa Bay nigera chikubwatira na Nature University jira sensemeyo eri kwenekinga ngosira bale abasae.
Vice Chancellor of Tom Mboya University, we are very, very extremely proud of you as the county of Homa Bay for the work that you do, and this position is really well deserved. Our graduates today, congratulations. Your journey has begun because today you have been given the power to read, and you will be given power to read and do all that appertains. So it's the beginning of a journey. And as Governor of Homa Bay, I can only pray for you and wish you all the very best as this journey moves forward. May your aspirations, may your dreams be met as you move out there and begin to go into the world of work. Just one piece of advice I could give you among the many that you will be receiving today is versatility. Many will go out there and think that I must wait for a job. I must wait to be hired. Maybe it might be long in coming, maybe it might be immediate. What I can tell you is start with whatever you have.
Mwancho morigerio inoro mweri wa mangana maya asenchera yo wenge gendra korigeria Ndizi TV nebo bwansu bo mausi erinde bwe manye amangere tariane Dorcas Kemuma nigoto batanere Joshua Auta oyoko nyamanya asenchera yemanyerio ambiganya nchama amona polnarisa kama bana kinga mali gine chibicha wekere ase enchera erengi keranu twara oborigerio buyana boigo twara Christmas ekiyana boigo inyora gosanga nabamino gendra korigeria Ndizi TV nebo bwansu bo mausi.
Ndizi TV.